Beauty blenders are brilliant, and with these hacks, they just got even better. Beauty blender basics done and decoded. Liquid, powder or cream? Which foundation will make my skin look like a dream? Let's begin with liquid, the most common and the most reached for foundation. Liquid foundation can sound like the answer to everything, but not really. They can clog pores, cause whiteheads and blackheads if used extensively. While a powder foundation is a great everyday wear for oily skin, its light coverage doesn't cover much. Also, don't apply too many layers unless you like cakey. If your skin is too dry, the cream foundation will start looking cakey after a while. So make sure you apply primer before the foundation. Make sure you screenshot this table so you never have to be confused again.
Makeup on your mask every time. Mask proof it right away. Done and decoded. Actually, no makeup look, which basically means simple, natural, everyday makeup that would instantly uplift your face. No makeup look. Done and decoded.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.